Please read the instruction manual before installation. Remove the screws. Apply thread locker to all screws. Place aluminum alloy washers. Install the mounting hardware. Preliminary fixation is sufficient. Do not tighten the screws. Position the top rack. Add aluminum alloy washers. Refer to the diagram for the specifications of the aluminum alloy washers. Preliminarily secure the screws. Tighten all screws. Refer to the diagram for specifications. Place 4 aluminum alloy washers. Attach the top plates. Preliminary fixation. Tighten the screws. Refer to the diagram for specifications. Attach the decorative cover. Mount the top case and check. If the tightness of the top plate's latch is not suitable, you can loosen the top plate's latch securing screws for adjustment. First, push the latch to the tightest position. Loosely tighten the 4 securing screws. Install the top case. Engage the latch slowly. The top plate's latch will be pulled out gradually. At this point, the top plate's latch will be in the optimal tightness position. Gently remove the top case and tighten the 4 latch screws. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Mount the top case. Engage the latches. Lock them with the key. And check the latches. Installation is complete. Thank you for watching.